I am Gunjan from class 9 from Kalyan Senior Secondary School.
I am Prerna from class 9. Our model shows the effect of climate change based upon the theme environmental and climate change.
Climate change refers to the change in the environmental conditions of the earth. This happens due to many internal, external factors and human activities. This climate change affects life on the earth in various ways. This climate change various impact on the ecosystem and ecology. Due to these changes, a number of species of plants and animals have got extinct. So we would like to spread the awareness, save earth and climate.
Material used in our model: cardboard, wooden plank, transparent sheet, transparent beads, clouds, scale, toy, plant, animals, vehicles, ball, wooden plank, and blue or yellow tape. Construction: take a cardboard 11 to 20 inches, draw a margin in the center, paint one part with black and second part with brown and yellow. Fix a tulsi plant in the middle of the black portion. Cut small and big pieces of cardboard and paste them to show the soil cracks. Paste all the cracks to show the drought land. Again, take a cardboard of 11 to 20 inches, draw a margin in the center, paint one part with grey and second part with brown. Paste cotton on the grey part to show the cloud. Under the cloud, paste transparent sheets to show the raindrops. Lightly paint the clouds to show the dark clouds. Paste polythene, toy, plant, vehicles or animals to show the destruction due to flood. Take a wooden plank, paste floody land part and drought land part on the wooden plank. On between the both parts, paste a large size scale. Tape the scale with yellow tape. Make a ball and paste on the scale to show the sun. Make two rays and color them with red to show the UV rays and paste on the sun. Cut two semicircles of 11 to 20 inches and two strips of 15 to 2 inches and color them with blue and green to show the earth and paste them on the four sides of the wooden plank. Take a transparent sheet to cover the both parts and to show it as ozone layer. Make two holes on the transparent sheet and highlight the holes with the marker. Cover the both parts with a transparent sheet. Tape the boundaries with blue tape to decorate.
This is the sun. They are UV rays which comes from the sun. This is our ozone layer, protect our earth from the UV rays. It's two hole in the ozone layer which made by CFCs. In this part there is a drought. Effects cause of drought is shortage of water, lack of rainfall, overpopulation and overcultivations. Effects of drought: shortage of water due to lack of water, damage to crop production and damage to crops because shortage of water. Crops can't grow well. As we can see that many animals and birds may die because lack of water. We hear thirsty crow story. Thirsty crow may die because lack of water. A question arises in the middle: what we do in during drought? Do not cut trees and forest. Do not waste rainfall water and collect rooftops. Do not mess with a traditional water source like ponds, wells, tanks, etc.
In this part there is flood. Flood can happen during heavy rainfalls, when snow melts quickly, when ocean waves comes on the shores or collapse dams. The cause of the floods are overflowing of the rivers, deforestation, climate change, emission of the greenhouse gases, massive rainfall, and the effect like loss of human property, damage to livestock, and loss of human life and etc. And again a question arises in the middle: what we do during a flood occur? Immediately go to a higher ground, check the instructions, follows the instructions of the safety officials. Continue to check the medias for emergency information. If you evacuate your home, take only essential items if it's safe to do so.
Result of our project is our model aware the peoples to planting more and more trees, minimum use of fossil fuels, avoiding the activities which cause any type of pollutions, promote the use of manures instead of fertilizers and pesticides. For the awareness we celebrate Water Day on 22nd March. The theme of Water Day of last year 2021, valuing water. The main motive of our project is Save Earth, Save Life. Thank you.